What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about MDT, measurable data token, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you can see, it's currently sitting at just about 7 cents and has gone up over 40% in the last 24 hours. Consistent gains in value and over the last couple of days as well. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at how high can MDT go, and is it a time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks and so on? So yes, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its long-term and short-term prediction. So the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can MDT go? And is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see, MDT is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So in the last hour, it has pumped up just over a percentage, as you guys can see. Over the last day, 42%. Over the week, a massive 68%, guys. It all started about 3-4 days ago, dropped a bit, and right now really going off, guys. So yeah, it's gone for a major increase, and over the month it is just about 36% up. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 317% in the last 24 hours, making it $86 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on MDT. And again, the only reason it's gone up so much is because the value has also pumped up. It's one of the most gained crypto over the last it's gained a lot of value in the last 24 hours, and it's top trending as well, meaning it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. A lot more people are looking into the project, meaning a lot more investors, as well as a lot of traders and sellers and so on. So that is why we are seeing the trading volume go up. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT, which is here in purple at 0.04578 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at 7 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from MDT over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards, let's say, by midday tomorrow, we should essentially see MDT trading around the 7 cents target where it is at the moment. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. No, guys, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours, potentially up to 0.075 to 0.078, somewhere in between there, before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow to around 7 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We have taken a complete U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction and looking very steep as well. However, as mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic. And the exact same applies here for MDT. I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that from MDT over the next couple of days. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, according to the graph, is meant to go for a major increase. However, that's not what I'm expecting. Even though, yes, I'm expecting it to go through an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that. What I am expecting is for it to hit about 8 to 9 cents in target towards the end of the week, because we have to take into consideration the drops that are likely to take place in between as well. Just because it's going in a positive direction, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. We are likely to see red days in between as well. But as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. So around 8 to 9 cents is what I would say over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, still looking positive, and still looking quite steep, meaning once again it's not realistic. But in this case, guys, I am again expecting an overall increase in value from MDT, but again, as mentioned, nothing too crazy. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so here I'm talking about late August, early September 2023, I am expecting Measurable Data Token to be trading around the 15 to 17 cents target, more or less double of where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting MDT to be trading at by late August, early September. So approximately in 2 months time, we should see 100% increase. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market in general performs. If it goes through a crash or a bull run or a price bump, anything like that will have a major impact, not just on MDT but the crypto market in general. As you can see, Bitcoin has finally hit $31,000 after dropping down to $25,000. Again, that's how volatile the crypto market is, guys. So make sure you only invest what you can afford to lose. That is the number one rule to cryptocurrency, as it's very, very volatile. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on MDT, guys, which should be seeing the 20 cents target potentially in Q3 of 2023. And again, as mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it likely to hit 50 cents? Again, I wouldn't say this year, but potentially Q2 of 2024, depending on how the crypto market performs, is when I'm expecting MDT to be hitting the 50 cents target. However, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on MDT, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting MDT to be hitting 50 cents? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.